This video is for our mail merge activity 4 envelopes. So same basic start out as we've been doing. Come to mailings, select recipients. We're going to use that same birthday guest list that we created already. So you'll have to go and find that in your server folder. Then under our Start Mail Merge, we're going to choose Envelopes. And this one will be a little bit different than how we've done it before. Return address, come in and type your own information. So after you get that return address typed in, go ahead and say OK. And then we have to, you just kind of have to click down in this bottom area so that you click in the text box and then just click again until you get your cursor. And then we're just inserting our merge field. So first name, then a space, insert our last name, enter, insert the address, enter, insert your city, then do a comma and a space, insert our state, space, and insert our zip code. And so that is really basic for what you have to do to get the envelope in. We come to our finish and merge. I'm going to say edit my individual documents. On your older version of Word, you'll go ahead and click whatever that first option is that we have done before. And so now I should see all of my envelopes here. And then this is what I need to save to turn in. So save it as Mail Merge Activity 4. And then you're good to go to turn that assignment in.